So we're gonna open up another program to explain a couple of more things. This time, again, I'm just showing you how you can use these diff functions in different ways. So as usual, you run the main function, it goes here. Then we create a string called we made it to, and it goes inside test. Okay, we're just going to delete this. And in this situation, it's just going to run stage underscore one without expecting anything to return. It doesn't have something like this, right? So, okay, fair enough. We go into stage underscore one. It prints we made it to stage one, and then it returns nothing, which is fine because so this kind of makes sense with this because we're not expecting anything and we're not giving anything back to main, right? So this won't cause an error. But if we were to return something and we weren't, um, um, like say for example, we were returning the variable z back to main and we're not catching it here like this, it will cause an error, right? So boom, right? So, but if we don't return anything, we just write return, then nothing. Then this makes sense because we're over explaining things. Um, then we go to the next line. It says equals, so we know that we're gonna go. We're gonna look at. We're gonna go to this function first. We notice that we're passing test to it. So we're passing the string we made it to stage underscore two. We go to stage underscore two, we see test. We add stage two to it. So now we've got we made it to stage two, and then we print test. And then we return test back to the main function. So we got uh, here. And then we're gonna make another string called that says stage three inside it. It goes inside the variable another test, and then we're going to look at something very crazy. So first we ignore everything on the left hand side. We see the equals. We know that we're going to go to this function first, and we're passing two variables. One variable that has we made it to stage two inside it, and then we've got another variable that says stage three inside it, has the string stage three inside it. And when we're sending something, we need to receive it in stage three. You see that? So we have test and another test, and then we're going to print both of them. So we're going to print we made it to stage two and then stage three, and then it's going to return those two variables back to the main function. So then like that. This is essentially this is that's essentially what it's doing. If you have any issues with what I've talked about, let me know. I know some of this stuff can be fairly confusing. Um, uh, Otherwise, give um, the final practice assessment a go. And after you've done that one, you should be ready for the assessment. So good luck.